Alright y'all, this is a room tour of an extended view balcony aft facing room on the Carnival Pride. So, come into the room and it's right off the bat you'll kind of realize that this balcony room's a little bit smaller than your normal balcony room on, say, like the Dream or the Breeze. I'm not sure as far as the square footage, but it's a little bit smaller. A little bit less storage space, but it's still doable. So you have the cabinets here. This has got the safe in it. And of course we kind of made that a little bit of storage where your flat screen TV's at and stuff. And this is movable. So this cabin right here sleeps 3. This was a sofa, and they kind of pull it out and make it a bed, which it's not a whole fold out bed, so you do still have some room to walk through, which is a good thing. So of course down here you have your regular refrigerator, and then over here is a few cabinets to put a few things. And as far as storage goes, that is kind of one of the things that we've seen that's a little different that we normally have a bit more of is storage, because you only have those, and then right there where, well, there's no storage in there, but, and again we made that storage. And then there's some drawers over here, which, you know, those are not really big drawers. So anyway, it's still fine. There's 3 of us in here, my wife, my daughter, and I, so we were able to make it work. So over here you do, as you come in the door, you have three full-size closets, which is nice. So each one of us has our own closet. So they're plenty big and enough storage for everyone. And so on the other side of the door is obviously the bathroom, and just a normal bathroom, nothing special, nothing fancy. And again, this is just an aft view extended balcony, so it's not an upgraded version, so you don't have the Elemis stuff or anything like that. So you do have your 3 shelves right there, and then 3 shelves over there, and that's pretty much it. And then your standard shower. So there's that. So we wasn't sure if we were, you know, actually gonna be able to tell a difference from the extended view balcony, which you can and you can't. I mean, it is an extra bit of room, and so the 2 chairs do fit pretty well. So I'll walk out there in just a second, but it's kind of loud when I go out there, so you won't be able to hear me. So I'm just going to kind of show you the balcony out there, and then we'll end the video. So mostly the extra space is down there, which once you're sitting on the chairs, you can, you know, extend your feet out on the table, and it does, you know, it is a bit more spacious. As far as the square footage, I'm not sure how much bigger this is actually from a regular balcony, but it's a bit, and it's worth it. And the view on this aft facing is amazing. I do know that there are extended balconies pretty much throughout the Spirit class ship, which the Carnival Pride that we're on is. So you don't necessarily have to get an aft view balcony for an extended balcony on this class of ship. So anyway, so so you do have your end tables on both sides of the bed, as you do with most all staterooms. And this is the king, which these can be separated somehow or another. Not sure how it'll work in this setup, but anyway, so you do have the 2 end tables. And so I'll take you out here and let y'all see the extended balcony. It's going to be kind of hard to see in video because I've watched a couple videos on YouTube, and you just kind of have to be here yourself to tell how much bigger it is. But let's go out here and see it. So right as you step out, so this is right as you step out on the balcony. You can tell again where, you know, a good bit of extra space is right out there. And I think it's a bit wider, deeper, I should say, as your normal balcony. The width, I believe, is roughly the same. And of course, you know, that's kind of the perk right there of the aft view balcony, minus the sound. So, you know, it's kind of give or take, whichever one you like. I enjoy it. I enjoy the aft view. It's pretty amazing being able to watch the draft of the ship back here in the back. So here it is. So to give you a little bit of perspective of how much bigger this balcony is, I'm 6'5", so I'm sitting on the chair. That's pretty much plenty of room to relax, which you don't have. You would have to do this sideways on a normal size balcony. So again, it is actually extended. So you do get your money's worth as far as a balcony, as far as a little bit of extra leg room. So anyway, so again, that's cabin 6264 on the Carnival Pride. Extended aft view balcony room, and that's it.